Hi, today my team and I will talk about the respiratory system. First of all, we need to know what the respiratory system is. The respiratory system is a series of organs responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. And that's the respiratory system, the one in which we have... Here, can you see it? It was there, or is it I don't think it's there. I don't really remember where the respiratory system is in our body. So, because I don't remember and because maybe you don't know, we're gonna see the anatomy of the cool respiratory system that we're talking about. So, let's go with the anatomy now!
Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the anatomy of the respiratory system.
Okay, the anatomy. Not important. Let's move on.
What do you mean? The anatomy is really important because first of all we have the nose and nasal cavity that form the main external opening for the respiratory system, and they are the first section of the body's airway. Then the mouth is the secondary external opening for the respiratory tract. The pharynx is a muscular funnel that extends from the posterior end of the nasal cavity to the superior end of the esophagus and larynx. It is divided in three. It is the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. The larynx is a short part of the airway that connects the laryngopharynx and the trachea. The trachea is a long tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi and allows air to pass through the neck and into the thorax. The bronchi and bronchioles are at the inferior end of the trachea. The lungs are large and spongy organs found in the thorax lateral to the heart and superior to the diaphragm. The muscles of respiration are sets of muscles that are able to cause air to be inhaled or exhaled from the lungs. So yeah, that is why it is really important to know the anatomy of our respiratory system for us to know where each part of it is located in our body. So, interesting now? Wow, the anatomy is really important and really interesting. So now we're gonna talk about a normal but dangerous thing. We're gonna talk about a disease. So for it, we're heading back to our experts and gonna talk about it. So let's go with them. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by the Bacillus Mycobacterium tuberculosis and characterized by the formation of tubercules in the tissues.
The symptoms of the tuberculosis are fever, night sweats, weight loss, and blood spitting.
The diagnosis. There are two tests to see if a person is infected with the TB bacteria. But to see if a person has the TB disease, there has to be either a chest X-ray or a sputum sample test.
The treatment for the tuberculosis is to take antibiotics for 6 months and rest.
The prevention for tuberculosis is that people can avoid other people but not going to school or work. Wearing a mask covering the mouth and ventilating rooms can help. You can avoid him too.
The treatment for the tuberculosis is to take antibiotics.
Ay, perdón. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by the No tomes en medio video. You can. Ay, no. Bye. Bloopers. By the formation of tubercules in the. Wow, the anatomy is really important and really interesting. ¿Verdad? ¿O no?